Living in Coppell means experiencing a mix of hot summers, humid days, occasional storms, and seasonal temperature fluctuations. Your home's windows aren't just for views and natural light, they're also your first line of defense against these changing weather conditions. Installing weather-resistant windows designed specifically for North Texas's climate ensures your home stays comfortable, efficient, and protected all year long. Protecting against Coppell's heat and humidity. These summers in Coppell are notoriously hot, with extended periods of sunshine and high humidity. Standard windows often allow heat transfer, making your air conditioning work overtime. Weather-resistant windows feature low emissivity, low-E glass coatings, insulated frames, and double or triple pane designs that block heat from entering your home while keeping cool air indoors. Humidity can also cause condensation and damage to lesser quality windows. Advanced weather-resistant options include moisture-resistant seals and composite frames that prevent warping and mold growth. This ensures your windows stay strong and attractive, even in high moisture conditions. Defending your home during storms. North Texas weather can be unpredictable, with sudden thunderstorms and occasional hail. Weather-resistant windows are built with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames to stand up to high winds and debris. These features not only protect your home from damage but also add an extra layer of security against break-ins. Some models even come with laminated glass, which holds together even when shattered, reducing the risk of injury from broken shards. This is a smart investment for homeowners who want peace of mind during storm season. Improving energy efficiency year-round. With fluctuating temperatures between summer and winter, energy bills in Coppell can add up quickly. Weather-resistant windows are engineered to provide superior insulation, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Features like argon or krypton gas fills between panes act as barriers to heat transfer, while durable seals prevent costly air leaks. By reducing the strain on your HVAC system, these windows help you save money while maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Over time, the energy savings can offset the initial installation costs, making them a cost-effective upgrade. Enhancing indoor comfort and noise reduction. Coppell's neighborhoods are growing, and with that growth often comes more traffic and outside noise. Weather-resistant windows often come with soundproofing benefits, thanks to thicker glass and insulated frames. This means quieter indoor spaces where you can relax without constant interruptions from outside activity. Additionally, these windows reduce drafts and hot spots, ensuring every room in your home feels evenly comfortable no matter the season. Increasing home value and longevity. Weather-resistant windows are a smart investment not just for your daily comfort, but also for your home's resale value. Prospective buyers in Coppell look for homes with modern, efficient, and durable upgrades. By installing these advanced windows, you're offering long-term protection, reduced energy costs, and better overall performance, all of which appeal to future buyers. Plus, with minimal maintenance requirements and durable construction, you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. Final thought. Coppell's climate can put traditional windows to the test, but with weather-resistant windows, you can protect your home, lower utility costs, and enjoy lasting comfort. From energy efficiency and noise reduction to storm protection and durability, these windows are built to handle the unique challenges of North Texas living. If you're ready to upgrade, consider working with a local Coppell window replacement expert who understands the area's climate demands and can recommend the best options for your home. The right choice will keep your home safe, efficient, and beautiful for years to come.